Let's get it! Let's get it, people!
That was sweet. Oh my god!
I said that was the best ride, hands down, so far in my whole time riding. Ride night mayhem.
Ride night. It's been
Ride night mayhem. Clean.
It's been a while. It's been a while.
Almost there. Let's go.
Yo, echo. Yo.
Yoo-hoo.
20,000.
Say it nice, say it twice. Hey,
What up? With a cart?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. I don't know anyone over here. Who are you guys? Introduce yourself. Tampa kids?
Yes.
Yeah. I heard there's a Slim Jim cart over here. I've seen this thing online.
That's JC's card. Got a big old area for
Activities and storage.
yeah, plenty of activities.
Birthday boy. Happy birthday, dear Jonathan Wallace. Happy birthday to you.
This is a lot of carts.
It's kind of crazy, right?
Yeah, that's crazy. This is, look, who has the chair?
All right, here, pick apart all the carts.
Hold on, this thing is sick.
Did you see the school teacher desk?
School's in session, huh? Yo, it's literally got a pencil on it with a note.
That is amazing.
All right, so I guess we got a crazy cart now, right?
Tell them to bring the carts out.
Yo, don't bring the carts out.
I think I'm gonna die.
He let me ride it because my cart's done for today, so he's letting me ride it. Shout out to Nick. Shout out to Nick.
So you guys came all the way from Tampa to come ride?
Yes, sir.
Shout out some handles your
Leesburg.
names so we can throw you in there.
My ads are It's Reform.
Cart demons.
Hard Demons in the house.
The Mini 86.
Mini 86 in the house.
I'm not Jason's.
Not Jason with the Slim Jim.
Oh, hell yeah.
as usual. A lot of people. Chaos.
Chaos? What do you think?
Awesome.
My card died. I am sad.
What do you have to say about what's going on?
What I have to say is
You created this monster. How do you feel?
we've created a monster. No, it's just pure adrenaline, adventurous people getting together, community bonding, team developing,
Creativity, individuality.
all of the above. 2024, the year of the ride. How many are we gonna do next time? Where were you guys? Where were you? Do you have a cart? You guys
Yo! Whoa, look at all these people got so many tricks. What's the score? What's the score? 10. 10?
Let's check on him. That was f***ed up. We're sorry, bro. We throw the backy into this shit and... My bad, dude. Just making sure you're alright.
Alright, we'll keep going. Keep going. We got one.
Yo, that was crazy.
What a place to pop in.
Damn. You guys crashed over here?
What is that? All three of them. Nick popped his tire in the wall. Is everyone okay? Yeah. Nick popped his tire. What is that brown mush? They all went into there. They were stacked up into the wall. Let me see your band-aid on your elbow again. There it is.
Yo, thank you for riding Young Circle with us.
Young Scrimmets.
50 plus, newest record ever. Send it out. Whatever you said.